Well, there's nothing like eating fresh out of the garden. Wait, that's a reaper. Yeah, it's a bit warm. And it grows. It's a little more than a bit warm. But I also had an okra that I could eat along with it. Now that first swallow, when it hits the back of your throat, you're gonna know you have a hot pepper. You can do this too, and I'm not talking about, woo, that reaper will give you hiccups. You can do this too. And I'm not talking about getting the hiccups from the hot reaper. I'm talking about growing a garden.